Okay, this is part 2 of the notes for area perimeter. So we got base 1, base 2. So the area equals base 1 plus base 2 times the height, which is over here, divided by 2. So let's add those up. 10 plus 18 times 6 divided by 2 gives 84. And my units of measure are centimeters squared, area two-dimensional, area squared always. Now for perimeter, forget 6, all I care about are all 4 sides, so I'm going to add up all 4 sides. 10 plus 7 plus 8. So let's add up 10 plus 7 plus 18 plus 8. 43. And my units of measure are centimeters, not squares. Okay. Now, check this out. On number 12, we have a base, and we're missing, we'll call it base 1. Okay. Base 1's missing, base 2 is 5, and the height's missing. So, first of all, we can figure out base 1. If we know the perimeter is 50, we can set that equal to adding up all 4 sides. So my 4 sides are 10, 5, 14, and B1. 10 plus 5 plus 14 plus base 1. Cool. Okay. Add up what we do know. 10 plus 5 plus 14 is 29 plus B1. Okay, and if I'm solving for B1, last step is to subtract 29. 50 minus 29, 21. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so I know B1 equals 21. Now, I'm going to need to use that area to figure out the height. Okay, now, let's remember area equals base 1 plus base 2 times the height divided by 2, right? Let's plug in what we know. A is 208, that was given. Base 1 plus base 2, so it's going to be 21 plus 5. Times the height, which we don't know, divided by 2. Now, if I can do this 21 plus 5 over 2, figure that out first. What's 21 plus 5? Parentheses, divided by 2. 13. So this is really 208, 13H. Oh, last step, divide by 13. What's 208 divided by 13? 16. My height, 16 centimeters. So I had to use the perimeter to find base 1, and then use that base 1 and everything else to find the height given the area. Last page of the note, you have to know this special word. So from here to here, okay, it's called the opossum. Now it looks like that easily creature of the night. I don't know how to draw. There's my possum. Whatever. But it's not an opossum. It's an opossum. It's actually pronounced apossum. That's the proper pronunciation. Apossum. You can say opossum, whatever. Okay. Now R stands for radius, and they are different. Okay. So opossum goes to a midpoint. Radius goes to a vertex. Okay. So you see how this A over here goes to a midpoint. I'll do this in blue. From here to here, that's the radius, and that goes to a vertex. Okay? So, it matters. You got to know apothem, whatever, goes from the center of a regular polygon to a midpoint on one of the sides. Okay, so the area of a regular polygon is 1/2 a p. Okay, big P is perimeter. Now, another way to write this, and this is the way I'm going to do it, is a big P over 2. Apothem times perimeter divided by 2. Okay, so let's try that down here. Okay, so my area. First thing I want to do is actually find P each time. Okay, so if I got 4 here, well, I know I got 4 all the way around, right? I don't have to label it like that every time. I can just, for perimeter, I can take that 4 times the number of sides, which is, on this hexagon, 6 sides. 4 times 6 is what? 24. Whatever the units are, they're not labeled. Okay, so I got my perimeter of 24. So now, capital A area is going to be my apothem. Okay, now what's my little a apothem? From the center to a midpoint, the apothem is 9, right? So in this case, it's going to be a p over 2. So it's going to be 9 times 24 divided by 2. Okay, then 9 times 24 divided by 2 gives me 108. And those units would be squared, whatever the units are. Okay. Do it again. Perimeter. One side is 6. There's 6 sides. My perimeter is going to be 6 times 6, which is 36. Capital A, area, is apothem times perimeter divided by 2. Now what's my apothem? From the center to the midpoint, my apothem is 10. So 10 times 36 divided by 2. 10 times 36 divided by 2 gives me 180. That would be units squared, whatever the units are. Alright, this next one's kind of fast here. And by the way, these are, so far we've done hexagons. Not always hexagons, but whatever. The perimeter here is 8 times 6. We get 48. Area is going to be the apothem center to the point, 6.93 times the perimeter, 48, divided by 2. I get 166.32. Now, by the way, this time we have units, at least on this one. So my perimeter is just regular centimeters, but my area is centimeters squared. That's my area. Okay. Now here's a little different one. Perimeter. This is only 5-sided. It's a pentagon. So if one side is 7, my perimeter is going to be 7 times 5. 5 sides. 35. Perimeter is 35 inches, right? Well, and my area will give me my apothem, center to midpoint. My apothem, right? Center to the midpoint. So, 4.82 times my perimeter, 35, divided by 2. 4.82 times 35 divided by 2. 84.35. three-sided area is going to be inches squared. Last one, put a star on this. This is the harder one, and you'll see why here in a second. Okay. Now, on this type of problem, I can figure out P. Do that real quick. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7-sided figure, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So 7-sided figure. My perimeter is going to be my side length, 10 times 7, because it's 7-sided. So this will be 70 units, whatever they are. Okay. Cool. Here's the thing you don't know. You don't know the apothem. Isn't the apothem from the center to the midpoint? Right here. Okay. 11.52 is not the apothem. Apothem, whatever. Okay. It is the what? If it goes to a vertex, it is the radius. Wow. So what do? I don't know the apothem, but I know the radius. Well, check it out. You have a right triangle here. This is 11.52, right? And then this is half of a side length. What's half of 10? 5, right? 5. And then this is missing 5. Golly, isn't that a right triangle? With 5, 11.52, and A. Didn't we learn how to find a missing side length using A, B, C, Pythagorean theorem, right? A squared plus 5, not 10, half of that side length, 5 squared, equals 11.52 squared. Okay, yes we did. So let's do the math. What is 5 squared? A squared plus 25 equals 11.52 squared. 132.71. Solving for A, I need to get rid of the plus 25, so minus 25, minus 25. So A squared equals 107.71. Last step to get rid of a square, that's square root. What is the square root of 107.71? My apothem is really 10.38. Okay? Sometimes if you're given the radius, you have to figure out the apothem. Otherwise you'll get it wrong. Believe me. So area equals the apothem. This number, 10.38, times the perimeter divided by 2. I get 363